Hi everybody, I'm Hagen with MyCraftSource, and today I'm going to show you how to use StarCraft StarMask to make a fun little painted thing. I don't know if you'd call this like a sign. Essentially, I'm going to show you how to use StarCraft StarMask to make a stencil that you can paint like signs and stuff with. Super easy, super fun. So what do you need? Obviously, you need your StarMask. You'll need some kind of vinyl cutter. I used the StarCraft Solo. You'll need some kind of wood or just really whatever you want to paint on. You will need some kind of paint. I used chalk paints from StarCraft, and you'll need some kind of transfer tape for adhesive. I used the 12-inch StarCraft medium tack transfer tape. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna find a design that you want and you are going to cut it normally. You're not gonna mirror it. You're not gonna, I guess, change it. You're gonna change it the way you want, obviously, but you're not gonna mirror it. You're just gonna cut it as is because this is still technically an adhesive vinyl. So you're gonna make sure to weed out the parts that you want to paint. So in my case, with this right here, I actually weeded out all of the lettering and then left everything else. So you're not gonna peel, you're not gonna take a bunch of material, you're gonna take a little bit of material, if that makes sense. After that, you're gonna apply your transfer tape, whichever kind you're using. After you have applied your transfer tape, you can peel the transfer tape up and it should bring the StarMask up with it. After that, you apply it to your piece of wood or sign or whatever it is you're using, and make sure that the star adhered to it. You're not gonna wanna like just put it on there and peel it up. Otherwise, it'll just cause issues, might not stick all the way. You know, once it's stuck, you can peel your transfer tape off and you should be good to go to paint. I used, I think it was 6 different types of paint. After you finish painting your stencil with whatever colors you're using, you can either not wait for it to dry and just peel it straight away. I don't recommend that just because I would feel weird like dropping it back onto it and then, you know, you get your paint all messed up. It's not worth it. So what I did is I took my heat gun to it, not for very long, just kind of like just went over it a little bit to make sure that the paint was dry, and then you can go ahead and peel the StarMask off, and something like this is what you should be left with. That's kind of really it. It's not a super hard thing to use at all. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder to use, but yeah. The biggest things are you wanna make sure that your StarMask is actually adhered to your medium. It'll make the whole painting process and taking the transfer tape off a lot easier. Realistically, that's kind of it. I don't have anything else for y'all at the moment, so yeah, later. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner, and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.